Hello guys, it's me, JJ Baymaster GT, and today we're about to do some Beyblade unboxing review. So here we have Fusion Hades, AD145SWD, balance type. Now it's time to open up the box. Alright, I finally got them out, so here is a Beyblade stickers of Fusion Hades. Here is a Beyblade menu of Fusion Hades. And here is a Beyblade tool, the color of black. So now, here are the name of those Beyblade parts, unboxing review. Here is base bolt of Hades. Here is energy ring of Hades. Here is fusion wheel of Fusion. Here is spin track AD145. It's called Armor Defense 145. And last, here's name of performance tips SWD, which is called Semi-White Defense. Fusion Hades has two moves from the fusion wheel. Between a metal frame, EC frame, and a metal core. It has two modes, so here is a balance type. Mode, right? And then, if you want to change into defense mode, all you gotta do is take it out, and then flip it, and then changed it. So here is a defense type. Now it's time to set up all together. I'm done. So here is the name of this Beyblade's unboxing review. Is Fusion Hades AD145SWD. Thank you guys for watching my video, and stay tuned.